Firewall. A firewall is a network security device that monitors incoming and outgoing network traffic and permits or blocks data packets based on a set of security rules. Hardware, software, or a combination of both is used to prevent unauthorized programs or internet users from accessing a private network or a single computer. And the hardware versus software firewalls. Hardware firewalls it protects an entire network implemented on the router level, usually more expensive, harder to configure. And software firewalls protect a single computer, usually less expensive, easier to configure. Software firewall inspects each individual packet of data as it arrives at either side of the firewall, determines whether it should be allowed to pass through it or if it should be blocked. Whatever we are downloading from internet, whether it is okay for our system, whether some malwares, viruses are being downloaded, that is checked by the firewall. We set up some we configure our firewall, and based on this configuration the data packets are being downloaded. And this type of firewall, which is done by individual software, that is known as software firewall. The firewall rules allow traffic that flows automatically because it has been deemed blocked, traffic that is blocked because it has been deemed dangerous to your computer. Ask the user whether or not the traffic is allowed to pass through. The functions of firewall are focus for security decision, stop hackers from accessing your computer, can enforce security policy, protects your personal information, limits your exposure, blocks pop-up ads and certain cookies, can log internet activity efficiently, determines which programs can access the internet. Firewall unable to do can't protect you against malicious insiders. If you are opening some USB or something without scanning and all, those malicious viruses and all cannot be protected by firewall. And it can't protect you against connections that don't go through it. If you have some you are connecting some USB, some inserting some floppy disks and all, those things it cannot protect you against. If some virus comes through those forms, then the firewall is unable to protect you. And it can't protect you against completely new threats, because firewall that is already configured one, whatever information is within the firewall, only using that firewall it controls entry of other data. Few of these viruses and all that will be in new form, which the firewall may not be able to distinguish. And it can't protect against viruses. Viruses usually comes as along with downloads or some worms and all. It is unable to protect such things. And types of firewalls: packet filtering firewall is there, application level gateway is there, and circuit level gateway. Those are the three types of firewalls that is there. And making the firewall fit is IP address. IP address is required. Domain names, protocols, ports, all this are concerned when our firewall becomes compatible for our uses remote login, SMTP, session hijacking. When you are remote logging from another source, if you are logging into your Facebook account, Gmail and all from other source, it indicates in your mail that you have logged in from remote area or remote site. And SMTP, session hijacking, if something happens, then that is intimated. Operating system bugs, spam, email bombs, source routing, all these are intimated by